Hey guys, in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Universal Charger. So it's going to be a really simple unboxing video because there's not much to it. However, I do want to show you just around this package, just in case there's stuff online that you don't see and you will see right here on this video. So right away we're just going to take it out and see what's inside and how big this is. I can tell you right away it's quite massive. So right away I can tell you, yep, it's big and everything's inside here, including this manual, which is kind of useless, but it does tell you which batteries and how to put them and set them up here, so it could be useful. However, let's just put that on the side and let's take a look at this. Inside here we do have this, which is something that I was looking for. And it's great that there's no AC adapter or anything like that, or DC adapters. I do like it when it's a straight hookup. So we're going to take this apart. Then we're going to plug this in right up here. Yep, it goes right here. And there we go. So this would be it. So this is a universal charger, so everything's supposed to fit right here. And I can see that it does. You kind of see the drawings right here and how it tells you to put in the batteries. So we even have 9 volts that can go here, which is great. You can kind of see it right there. And then every other type of battery, because this will actually move according to the size of each battery. So this is something that I should have bought before buying any other type of charger, because once it comes down to it, it's good to just buy this and not any other one. Although it is fairly pricey. The cable itself, well, yeah, it's long enough, so this is pretty long. This isn't as heavy as before, I guess, plus the cable and everything, the packaging. So it's not as heavy. It is massive, but not as heavy as I thought it would be in the end. How big is this? Well, it's quite big. How could I compare this to? Maybe an iPad size, iPad mini size. If you stack maybe 4 of them or 5, that's the height. But yeah, that's the comparable size, I guess I could say. Now I do have some batteries right here, and we can just put those actually right here. That way I can just put these bad boys right here and start charging them up. Now what I don't see are any lights anywhere. However, I'm going to plug it in and see if there's any lights that light up to let me know when they're charged or anything like that. So right now I just plugged it in and there are lights. That's good to know. So right here on the side I can see there's a green light. It's only up to here. So there are some indicators to see whether this is charged. So what I'm going to do is turn off some lights so you guys can see this light right here. Now this steady green light means it's charging. Now if this light was blinking green, that would indicate a bad battery. And this bar right here will actually turn off, fully turn off, once the charge is complete. So that's how we know it's fully charged, once this turns off. I gotta say, in this case, it does make sense that the lights only turned on up to here, because there's only 2 batteries. So there we go. I just moved these down here, so now you guys can see it's a solid green down here. So it does detect where your batteries are at, and that's why the light turns on. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.